In this video, I will compare Dropship.io and Tradelle, two powerful dropshipping research and automation tools to help you decide which one is the best for finding winning products and scaling your store. So I have been using both of them for the last year, so I think I can tell you everything that you need to know about the two of these. So let's dive in with the platform overview. So Dropship.io. Well, Dropship.io is a product research tool offering real-time analytics, store tracking, and competitor insights to help you find high-converting products, while on the other hand, Tradelle is a newer all-in-one dropshipping platform that combines product research, automation, and AI-driven recommendations for efficient store scaling. And now I'm going to tell you something about the futures of Dropship.io and Tradelle. And let's start off with Tradelle. Tradelle is, as I already said, an AI-powered product recommendation tool. So it has supplier integration for seamless fulfillment. It has automation tools for scaling orders efficiently, and it has ad analysis and sales forecasting. So these features can be really handy for AI-driven recommendations and efficient store scaling. And this has to do with the fact that Tradelle is a newer tool. But let's move on to Dropship.io. Dropship.io has a live product database with trending items, competitor analysis and tracking, store insights to monitor top Shopify sellers, and ad spying to see what's working in the market. And this is a really nice way to do market research to see what's working on the market, and you can adjust your sales and your plans on that. So that is about the features. Let's move on to the pricing. Well, Dropship.io comes with a risk-free 7-day free trial, which you can cancel anytime. And if you pay monthly, you can start at $39 a month. And if you pay yearly, this will be $26 a month. Then you will get 4 months free. So what are the difference between the plans? Well, the basic plans gives you 20 searches a day, 10,000 credits, 20 to 40 products a week in your portfolio, 10 stores, 20 products, and 15 stores a day. And when you are upgrading to the standard version, you will have unlimited searches and 25,000 credits and full access to top products. So this is a really big improvement compared to the basic one. So the benefits you're getting when upgrading to the standard is really big on Dropship.io. And of course, you also have premium, but this will only be beneficial if you have a really big store and they're making some serious sales. So to start off, basic will set you good, but if you're trying to be more serious with dropshipping, then going with the standard is not a bad choice in the beginning. But anyway, you can start with a free trial, so that's something you can consider as well. And let's move on to the pricing of Tradelle. Tradelle also has a risk-free 7-day trial with money-back guarantee, and there are 4 plans in here. And as you can see, you have the free plan that is for $0 a month, and you have the monthly plan that is $29.99 a month with a discount right now. And when you pay it yearly, then you will have $19.99 a month. And you can also pay lifetime for $479 a month. So these are some huge differences. So based on this, we can say that Tradelle is a lot cheaper than Dropship.io. But is it also worth it? Well, I would say that Tradelle is best for store owners looking for automation, AI-driven insights, and a more hands-off approach to scaling. And Dropship.io is best for beginners and advanced sellers who need detailed product research and competitor tracking. And let's make a final verdict on Dropship.io and Tradelle. I would say choose Dropship.io for in-depth product research and competitive analysis, and Tradelle for AI-driven automation and hands-free scaling. And which platform do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.